Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in Glossybox September 2023, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, we're unboxing Glossybox September 2023. If you're new to this subscription box, this is a beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, and every month you receive 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup. If you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will receive this box for only £10, including the shipping fee. All the details, all the info, all the links will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open it. So on the top we have the card. It says September census, and we have also the QR code, and I tried to scan it, and yes, it does work this month. And it says, "Hello Glossy, we have curated a love letter to your census this September with our newest edit, September census, with 5 products aimed to aid relaxation and tranquility. This box will help you feel renewed from the summer months, ready to thrive for your autumn plans. In this digital magazine, we also bring you a number of self-care tips, including how to turn your bathroom into a home spa and ways to elevate your senses and indulge in beauty. Love, Team Glossy." Let's see what's spoiler for next month. So as always, they don't include the product, but they will tell you the theme for next month, which is the hidden places. This October, we are inspired by the allure of the mysterious and hidden places of the world. Spark your curiosity and feed your appetite for undiscovered beauty secrets with the products inside our hidden places special design box. This month, we're all about experimenting with fascinating and capturing makeup looks. Look forward to a truly exciting mystical beauty adventure this October. And we have also advent calendar, which I did already the spoiler. So if you want to see what's inside Glossybox Advent Calendar 2023, I will pop in here, and it's really lovely outside, lovely. So I'm using the sunlight today. So this is the box. It's their usual pink box, and then let's open it. So we have, as always, the pink tissue paper. Ooh. I did a spoiler for this month, so, but it was missing the 5th item, so we'll see it today. So the first product we have here, this is from Daily Concepts Daily Round Silicone Scrubber. Here we go, the product. And then I think this is a full size, and this is the product. It has the silicone thingy, and then you just rub this one off. And I really like that it has the ring on it, so you can handle it properly. And let's see what it says here. So this one, it's retail for £16. Wow. And it says, "Maximize your clean with this Daily Concept Body Scrubber. The textured fabric outer surface provides a deeper clean than you can achieve with just soapy hands. Use this your favorite cleanser for skin that cleanse deep within the pores." And then the other product you have here, and this is one of my favorite products. My husband and my kids use it. This is from Aveeno, the Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. Nourishes and protects normal to dry skin. This one has 100 ml. I'm pretty sure this is a travel size because I have the full size one. And yes, as I said, this one, it doesn't have any scents. And this one is good for sensitive skin, and my daughter has like very dry skin, like eczema, and this one really helps. So I'm glad that I have here. And this one, it's retail for £4, and it says, "Notoriously known for being gentle and caring to sensitive skin, Aveeno is suitable for the most sensitive of skin type, containing prebiotic colloidal oatmeal. It preserves the skin natural microbiome. Take extra care of your skin as we approach the colder months and apply daily for the ultimate softness. It doesn't feel like because it's really hot, it's outside. And then the next product we have here, and this is from the Balm. This is the Staniac Hint of Tint for Cheeks and Lips in the shade, I think, Beauty Queen. So here's the product. And this one, it's retail for £6.64. So this is a full size, and it says avoid unsightly streaks with Staniac. Our 2-in-1 lip and cheek stain gives a natural light flash to complement any skin tone. Just tap a touch on your cheeks or lips for a kiss of color, or use the applicator to layer for a deeper shade. And since Staniac features an alloy infused formula, the stain won't set too soon. Let's see the shade. I like lip tint. I'm using lip tint at the moment because I really do like them. They like stay on my lips all day. So yeah, this is the color. We'll see later on if it will go dark, but yeah, because I feel like lip tint, you can use it on cheeks and on my lips. When I went on holiday, I used lip tint a lot. So yes, I love lip tint, so I'm glad that I have another one here. And the next product we have, and this is from Grace and Stella, the Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray. And I'm pretty sure this is of a travel size. Let's open it. No, this is a full size, I think. Doesn't say anything here, because this one is retail for £16. And it says, this rose spray is the perfect antidote for acne, inflammation, oily, and dry skin. Rose water spray has been around for centuries and has been used because of its antibacterial properties. Spray on for an instant skin refreshness. I tried this one before. It smells like rose. If you don't like the smell of rose, I would not recommend this one. And yeah, this is the product. And it smells like rose. Yes. So the last product, the fifth item, and I'm not sure if there will be variation. So yes, there will be just two. So you either receive the one that I've got here, or the Polar Eternal Snow Cream, which is retail for £19. I'll show you now. I hope I don't blind you, lovelies. So yeah, this is the product that you either receive, or this one that I have here, which is from Wild Science Lab. This is the Night Sheen Renewal Eye Serum. So this one is retail for £17. And it says Night Sheen Renewal Eye Serum is a multi-action 3-in-1 serum which targets puffiness, dark circle, and fine lines, refining the texture and tone of the eye contour with an innovative botanical active complex, including skin-tolerant retinol like bakuchiol, which helps to lift, firm, and brighten delicate skin. 99% naturally derived ingredients, vegan and cruelty-free. So yes, that's the product that I received this month. So let's do a recap. So you will receive a full-size product from Daily Concept, which is the Daily Round Silicone Rubber, the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion, which is I really love. And then you will get also the Staniac from the Balm, and as you can see, it doesn't smell, it stay there, which is, I can't wait to try it on my lips. And then you will get also the Grace and Stella Spray All Day, and then you will get either the Polar one or this one from Wild Science Night Shift Renewal Eye Serum. So yeah, so that's all, lovelies, for my unboxing. Overall, lovelies, as I said, we love Aveeno product in this house, so definitely will use this one. Yes, I will use it. I like that it's silicone. And this one, I think we received in Look Fantastic before, but as I said, I don't really mind receiving lip tint because I use them a lot. Grace and Stella rose spray, it's good if you like the smell of the rose, because it quite have that rose smell in it. And then the Wild Science Night Shift eye serum. I know this brand is really a good one. And that's all for me, lovelies. And you, what do you think of this box? Have you received it? What products did you receive? And Are you waiting for this box? Are you thinking to subscribe to this box? If yes, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will get this box for only £10. All the info, as always, lovelies, will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.